Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between the Vivo X300 Pro, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, all of the flagship smartphones from their respective brands, to see which device is going to be better in terms of hardware specs, giving performance, daily usage, as well as the benchmarking test score results. So here we go. So these are the benchmarking applications we got today here on our devices. We have already performed all of these and we will just have a quick look on the test score results. So first of all, let's start with AnTuTu Benchmark. So here you can see that the Vivo X300 Pro scored 3.573475 million points. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra scored 2.663040 million points, and the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL scored 1.512599 million points. So the winner is Vivo X300 Pro. After that, Galaxy S25 Ultra, and then Pixel 10 Pro XL. If we go to the individual test score results, here you can have a look on the scores of CPU, GPU, memory and UX tests of AnTuTu Benchmark. And as you can see, in CPU, GPU and UX, the winner is Vivo X300 Pro. In memory, the winner is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. And in UX, as well as somehow in CPU, performance of Pixel 10 Pro XL is better compared to Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, but the difference in GPU scores is too much between S25 Ultra and Pixel 10 Pro XL, and because of this, overall, the S25 Ultra is performing better compared to Pixel 10 Pro XL, and of course, our concern is the overall score, and considering that the winner is Vivo X300 Pro, then Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and then Pixel 10 Pro XL. So now, if we go back from here to the next test, that's going to be the 3D Mark. So this is a GPU benchmarking test. So it gives the idea about the gaming capability of the device. So this test is also divided in multiple parts. So if we talk about the Wildlife Extreme, in this, Vivo X300 Pro scored 7604 with 45.63 average FPS. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra scored 6907 with 41.36 average FPS. And Google Pixel 10 Pro XL scored 3425 with 20.51 average FPS. So once again, first position, second position, third position. Now if we go back from here to the Steel Nomad Lite, in this, Vivo X300 Pro scored 3187 with 23.61 average FPS. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra scored 2509 with 18.59 average FPS, and Google Pixel 10 Pro XL scored 1042 with 7.72 average FPS. So once again, same pattern, first position, second position, third position in 3D Mark as well for both Steel Nomad Lite and Wildlife Extreme. So now if you go to the next test, that's the Geekbench 6. This test is divided in CPU and GPU, and the CPU test is divided in single core and multi-core. So the Vivo X300 Pro scored 3284 in single core and 1092 in multi-core. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra scored 3071 in single core, 9898 in multi-core, and Google Pixel 10 Pro XL scored 2311 in single core and 6254 in multi-core. So once again, in both single core and multi-core, the winner is Vivo X300 Pro. After that, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and then Pixel 10 Pro XL. If we go to the GPU test, in this as well, the winner is Vivo X300 Pro, as it scored 20,982. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra scored 19,630. And as you can see, the GPU of the Pixel 10 Pro XL is not that great, and that's why it's scoring the least score whenever it comes to the GPU performance. So it scored only 3176 in Geekbench 6. GPU test, and once again it is at third position. So considering the hardware specs of these three flagship smartphones, the Vivo X300 Pro is the best one right now. After that, it is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and then the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. The difference between the Vivo X300 Pro and Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is not too much. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.